My name is Lucy Gagliardo, and I've lived in Ithaca since 1983. I worked as a research technician in an immunology lab, and I did freelance illustration, scientific illustration. So I've always been interested in the environment and natural science. We moved in 1985, and the house was built in 1926. We were thinking about solar for 20 years. And then when HeatSmart Tompkins came on, I said, oh, this is the best opportunity. So then when the HeatSmart Tompkins program expanded to do the geothermal, I said, well, they say this is the best way to go. So I decided to go for it. So the geothermal, the ground source heating system, is getting the heat from the ground, which is at a constant temperature, and bringing it into your house to heat your house. And the other benefit is that then you could also cool your house the same way, so it's have an air conditioning component to it. We used to have a natural gas forced hot air system, which sat right here, about the same footprint, and so the ductwork already existed. Having the solar panels, having the geothermal, and also still being conscious about how we use energy, switching our light bulbs out to LED and insulating the basement, and it's just the whole system together. I think the house is much better for it. The HeatSmart program has really helped me a lot in choosing contractors, because I know that these are trusted contractors. HeatSmart has already recommended them, and so that made me feel very confident.